Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My topic is about gold. In this video, I will tell you about gold nanoparticle in diagnostics. Gold nanoparticles have been in active use in identification of chemical and biological electron microscopy has historically remained the predominant means to detect by biospecific interactions using a dollar colloidal gold particle due to their high electron density. It is not happenstance that the first three volume of publications about the application of colloidal gold have chiefly devoted to using GMP, the use of high resolution instruments, high resolution transmission electron microscope, and a system of digital recording and processing of images are explain example of modern application of electron microscope equipment. The main particle of use of immune electron spectroscopy and the modern medico-biological studies is for the identification of caustic agents of infectious disease and their surface antigens, scanning the probe microscopy, scanning electron microscopic and fluorescence microscopy and frequently used for the same purpose. In addition to conventional colloidal gold and quasi-spherical particles, non-sphere non-particles such as nano-shell, nano-carriers, nano-stars, and nanotypes of particles. These groups of particles are named small resonance particles. The vision method with the use of GNP and the optical microscope in the particle confocal laser microscopy have gained increasing popularity in the medicine and biological research. Confocal microscopy is a method for detection of microscope objects using an optical system which permits the registration of radiation only from the objects located in the focal plane. There for scanning of sample along their height, and the heights can be performed, and their 3D images can be obtained by the superposition of scanogram. The use of GNP and antibody GNP conjugates allows for the real-time detection and for the penetration of gold into a living thing. Cancer at the level of a single particle and even of estimation of the amount 28. The method of obtaining confocal images include fluorescence detection and confocal fluorescence and resonance elastic two photons, multi-photon light scattering by plasmon nanoparticle resonance scattering, the confocal microscopy, and the two photon luminescence confocal microscopy. This technique are based on detecting micro objects. Use optical microscope in which the luminescence is excited due to simultaneous absorption of two or more photons. The energy of each of them being lower than the required of for fluorescence excitation. The major advantage of this is that the strong disease in the background signal result in the visualized among us the object. The oncomaker on the surface inside the cell provides example of combined bioimaging of malignant of a cell using absorption, fluorescence, and luminescence plasmon resonance label. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Hope you are liking my videos. Please like my video.